Today I'll be showing you how to enhance your lettering by embossing. I'll be using today a pail as well as a Ranger Emboss It clear pen, as well as embossing powder in silver. So what we'll do first is prepare the surface. We'll lay the surface down and use the pen. Today I'll be writing Happy Easter. So as you can see here, it's completely clear. So we'll take the powder and place it over what I've just written, which is Happy Easter. You'll gently just cover the surface in all the areas where you wrote Happy Easter, or in my case, So as you can see here, the powder is covering Happy Easter. I'm going to take the heating tool and turn it on. Let it heat up for just a few minutes. And you will begin to see how the powder reacts to the heating tool and embosses your handwritten font. This is a great way to add a special touch Thank you.